Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. So today, after we have done the poetry in motion video, so we are going to do this reflection video. This is group 36, lax 2020, and my name is Suwaid Yahya Muhammad, and my matric number is 175747. So in this video, we will just talk about our opinions and opinions, what we need to improve in the next poetry in motion video. Just only a reflection video about what we have been gone through in the last poetry in motion video. Who wants to share their opinion and information? Yeah, can
Sarah.
Okay. Hi. My name is Nur Safiyah Akmal binti Muhammad Ibrahim. So my matric number is 175564. So I was a director for this
Previous.
previous poetry emotion. So overall, I think this poem is easy actually, but as we have to do in nature, and the poem is about falling leaves and something else. So in Malaysia there is no not much leaves like in the poem, described in the poem, but yeah, I think we did great. The props man is really good. Are really good. They were very good.
Kila.
Kila, Sofia, they have to work hard to make it looks like falling leaves. I think they did a good job.
Yeah.
What else?
So cameraman.
So what about cameraman?
Nadia.
Okay, my name is Najah binti Hamidi and my matric number is 174475. Okay, for the previous video, it is a bit challenging for me to make sure that the angle for the leaf to fall it down is follow the director wants to make it beautiful, but the props is very helpful. they make sure that the leaf is continuously flow from the trees, and from there I can edit the video shoot in the video in a slow motion.
Oh.
Okay, it's beautiful and nice picture.
So what the
Difficulties that you faced?
Yeah, difficulties.
Well, for as the props, like for me myself, I have to climb the chair. Oh, for that, my name is Sharifah Amira Sofia Al Jafri binti Said Ali Al Jafri. My matric number 176227. So yeah, one of the challenges that we face, I mean personally I face, is that we have to try every angle, like because the tree the leaves have to fall from the tree, so it is from above. So we try to manage to climb the chairs and make the leaves fall as if it is from the tree. And then when the director is not satisfied with it, we have to collect back all the leaves.
Wow.
And we have to do it again. So it's not just one shot we did, it's multiple shots. And then because it is a nature theme, a lot of us get bites from mosquitoes, especially Lee, because he was wearing a short sleeve that time. So Lee got a lot of them. Yeah. Props. Do you want to add in more?
My name is Nora Kilam Kisulo. My matric number is 172585. Okay, I would as prop with Sophia and Nadia. Like so far, we have to collect a lot of dry leaf again and again to make sure the shirt become nice. And then, if you notice in the video, there is our hand throwing the leaf. Well, it got captured, but I think that's okay.
No, your hands like.
Yeah.
When I shoot the video, I didn't notice that I captured the hand.
Oh.
Actually, I think that I have set the angle in a perfect angle to shoot the video. Actually, when I look back at the video, oh my god, it's Kila's hand. So yeah.
Oh my god, it's so funny, right? As an editor, you know. Okay, my name is Rani. My machine number is 173634. As editor for the video, I face a trouble to edit the video when the hands are included in the videos. So I have to cut them and only take the nice shots in the video. So what do you think about the video? Is it okay or
It's
not?
okay, very okay.
I think the actress and actor managed to express their feeling as the falling leaf, to what you know to feel the falling leaf. Like, look at how your face high and especially leaf. You're so funny. You like.
Expression, your expression.
His expression is very funny.
They also trying hard because they have to stay in under the tree, waiting for the leaves to fall, and they were surrounded by the mosquitoes. So they have to struggle.
The struggle is real. So,
What do you think?
Yes.
Okay, my name is Nokmalia with Ahmad Kushairi. Okay, there's nothing much I can say, just that because all the clips were very short, so to make it longer and nice, the length and the video, all the clips need to be in slow motion so that it gets the theme and the motion, like so that it has to be suit in generally in to like express the theme, the nature theme and the winter. Winter.
Okay,
Summer.
Summer.
Autumn.
That's
So,
my matching number is 172305.
Okay, my name is Nurul bin Yusuf. My matching number is 173637. I had done the props job during the previous Poetry in Motion, the first video, which is I think it is the easiest way to preparing the prop, because we just use the normal thing such as clocks and other things. But in the third Poetry in Motion video, me and Kila and also Sophia had done a very challenging job.
you need to climb the chair.
Sophia climbed the chair and I collect the leaf for many times, I guess. And there's one scene that where Farah shoot the video, but she captured the picture and not the video, and we need to do it again. And that's make us at that time we already tired and want to finish it early, but when it happened we need to do it again. But it's okay.
Sorry. So
Okay, what about you,
the
Lucia?
Hello everyone. My name is Li Siyuan. My measuring number is 171689. I was an editor in this video. I think to be an editor is very difficult. Yeah, and it is a big challenge for everyone because we pull the leaves. We should to take a good angle to pull the leaves, and there has a lot of mosquitoes. Yeah, but I think everyone is very hard to everyone all wants to record a good video, and everyone is very hard. So I think it is a good experience for everyone.
Okay, hello everyone. My name Nurhani Binti Umar. My mention number 173858. I was an actress for this poetry motion. Difficulties I faced during the shot is when the props man keep falling leaf on top of my head. I need to face up to feel and macam my eye is
fake expression.
dust coming from my eyes.
So we dust.
Yes. Okay, just ignore. Just okay. And I need to feel. I personally enjoy the nature theme because I can feel the very calm environment.
Are you sure?
Under the trees, and at the same time I need to collect back all the leaf on the ground to help the props man.
The one that you throw back to the
Yes,
air.
yes. I just follow the director instruction. Yes, Sophia direction.
We keep changing
See,
the scene
Finger.
place where which tree to take, and every time we change the place, we have to collect back the same leaves to the other place, and we change. First we at this tree, and then we have to collect these leaves and go to this tree, and again to this tree.
Oh,
It's tiring.
it was very tiring.
Yeah.
Didn't makcik sapu daun didn't get upset. They get upset when you do that.
I don't know.
I think she should thank to us because we already collect one place. Yes, we gathered at one place.
To compare like previously, like two previous video that we did, from the working with the director, I think Sophia is the most fussiest. No, not in a good way. I mean, like she really wants everything. What she wants
in the video. Wow.
So yeah, she knows what she wants and how it should be like.
Then we should appoint Sophia for our next video. Okay.
No.
We will we will give you a deal later. Okay, for me, my name is Suwaid Muhammad and my metric number is 175747. For me as a narrator, it was a little bit difficult for several reasons. Actually, the video is a little bit long, and the poem is not that long, so it took me around 8 to 10 times just only to record. and the first time it was around 1 minute 30 seconds. Then I tried to make a little pauses between the verses in order to make it longer until I reached 2 minutes and 30, I think. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And you know what's really difficult? When I tried to make that thing 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and I was doing it in my room. I listened, maybe a car is switch it on, then I need to redo it again. My housemates knock the door, I need to redo it again. So maximum, all I did it around 15 times. 15 times.
Oh my
And-
god.
Very challenging. Yeah, and it was, first of all, I didn't use how to use my phone in recording. Then I told my friend to tell me. Then it's easy. Then I got something that we can it cut the sound that we need to record. If that was good, then I wouldn't be so struggling at that time.
Yeah, we all did a really good job.
Yeah.
For this
Yeah,
video.
congrats all.
Yeah. So, do you have any suggestion? What we need to improve in our next? What we need to choose to make it easier and more simpler? What we need to do? What is the perfect location?
Depends.
Maybe
As a director,
nature is easy. But I think we should choose the other thing. Nature is actually easy, because all of us need to struggle with the nature things, and so I think better we choose other thing that is more easier.
Practical.
And
no, just
what else?
4 minutes. So,
Okay, that's all.
Anyone?
Okay, I have a suggestion. Actually, it would be better if we make, although we still don't know what's the theme, but if we choose a theme, that we need to consider the situation, because nowadays this environment has a lot of rain, so we don't know if we are making the video and then suddenly it rains, then we will just lose time and lose potential. Then we need to make it to consider making the poetry in motion in a closed area. That will be a very good suggestion.
Yeah.
What about the others?
Okay, for me, we need to find a theme and poem that can collect the easy props that usually we use in the location. Also, we need to consider before selecting the poem. I think that's my suggestion.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Everyone's suggestion is like practicality in choosing everything. I mean, especially the theme of the poem. So, practical. Must be practical.
Yeah, it's just the same, because I do feel like location is important before choosing any poems, and the props also. Yeah, that's and maybe it is that we are in university. Maybe we can do something that can get, I mean, related, or even if it's not relate much, but like the location, the theme that can be
that we need to consider.
everything actually.
Okay. Depends on.
Okay. So we came to a conclusion to this meeting. Hopefully, we can meet next week. So next meeting we will do the theme. We need to decide which theme, and hopefully I can see you very well and fine next meeting. Thank you so much. And here's group 36 likes 2020. See you.
Bye.